Hey Jet Ski Brothers, it's Adzi here in Australia. I just watched your video and I'm just going to give you a bit of an idea on what I do. It may help where to measure your ride plate and the difference between the R&D ride plate and the standard ride plate. Here we have a standard ride plate, as you're probably familiar with, and this angle here is different to the R&D ride plate, and I'll show you why. You can see that area there where it kicks up at the back. Now, the standard one can only kick up so much. There it is, compare the two. You can see the big difference where it kicks up in the back, like that. Now when you measure, you need to measure from that flat tab there on the pump shoe, and you measure that distance between the end of the ride plate to your straight edge. Mine's about 24 millimeters, just under an inch. You compare that to the standard ride plate and you'll see it's a huge difference. It doesn't kick up anywhere near as much. Now that's worth probably 3-4 miles per hour. The other thing, hold on, turn it around, how do I do this? Anyway, the other thing you might notice is my pump. Now that's a GP1200 nozzle with 8 vanes. You can see in there, and I've actually machined up a little reducer sleeve that goes in there to reduce the nozzle diameter from 87 millimeters down to 84.8 I think it measured out at the moment. Now that's probably going to be a lot faster, but I haven't had a chance to go and test it yet, because I know the 85 millimeter nozzle from the GP1300, it's 2 miles an hour faster than the 87 millimeter nozzle. So I'm hoping for more speed again. So you'll probably notice too my trim tabs. I've made these trim tabs. They're flat, and the height that they stick down, they don't slow you down at all for speed wise, but I tell you what, they'll handle heaps better than the standard trim tabs in rough water. It'll hold your speed. So anyway, hope this helps. Look forward to the next video. I'm really enjoying it, and mate, you've got more speed there. Oh, one more thing, your supercharger heats the air as it goes through the intercooler, and the intercooler on the standard skis can't keep the intake charge cool enough, so it actually heat soaks, and that's why you lose some speed. So you'll get 75 mile an hour, and then it'll probably slow down a little bit as the engine heats up. So that's why they put the fizzle intercoolers on them, and it only gets worse when you reflash the ECU, because you've got more advanced, more heat. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying your quarantine lockdown. We are here in Australia. It's pretty good actually over here. We haven't had a huge number of people with it, so it's all good. Alright mate, best of luck. Talk to you soon.